Good morning, all of you. Let's start today's session. Variety of food. Various grains, vegetables, fruits, and variety of dishes prepared from them get included in our meals. Therefore, we find variety in foods. In India, we find variety of foods according to seasons, regions, and also states. For example, we prepare various dishes from rice, as shown in the picture. Dishes made with rice, idli, bhakri, modak, and dosa. See the next example. We prepare various dishes from potato also, like paratha, vada, curry, and chips. Grains or vegetables is used to make more than one food item. That means dish. So that various dishes can be made from the some ingredients. Even when there is a variety in the dishes, the basic ingredients remain the same. In the above example, we saw various preparation of rice and potato. So that there is a diversity, which means variety in the food item of different state of our country. India is unique country with diversity. Unity is diversity is the main slogan of our country. India is known for diversity, which means variety. Variety in region, diversity in food, diversity in states, and diversity in everything that represent the world. In every region, there is one staple food. Staple food means main foods, which means supplying a large fraction of energy needs and generally forming a significant proportion of the intake of other nutrients as well. Now students, look at the map and observe the distribution of crops like rice, wheat, jowar in our country. So, can you tell me which food crop is grown on large scale in the coastal part of India? Yes, rice is grown on a large scale in the coastal part of India. The food crops like wheat and jowar are grown in the North India. Wheat is the major food crop in the central region. Students, can you tell me why is the rice grown on the large scale in the southern part of India? Rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India because the crop of rice requires hot, humid climate and heavy rainfall for its growth. The southern part of India has hot and humid climate. This region receives heavy rainfall. Agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. It is mainly depend on rainfall. In India, some regions receive high rainfall and other regions receive less rainfall. In region of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi and varai are grown. Wheat, tur and soya beans are grown in regions of moderate rainfall. Moderate rainfall means medium rainfall. The crops like jowar, bajra and moth beans are grown in region of low rainfall. The factor like good quality seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight and water helps crops to grow well. According to the season and variety of grains, fruits and vegetables are grown in our country that we will see in the next session. Thank you.